Did you know that the Bible says when you give to the needy, you should keep it private? Yep, the Bible stated that keeping acts of kindness private, like giving to the needy, without seeking recognition or praise from others. In Matthew 6:1-4, it says, "Be careful not to practice your righteousness in front of others to be seen by them. If you do, you will have no reward from your Father in heaven. But when you give to the needy, do not let your left hand know what your right hand is doing, so that your giving may be in secret. Then your Father, who sees what is done in secret, will reward you." This suggests that genuine acts of kindness should be done without seeking attention or praise from others. Listen, helping others should come from a place of genuine compassion and not a desire for recognition or validation. Keeping it private allows the focus to remain on the act itself and the well-being of the person being helped, rather than on oneself. It also reflects humility and sincerity in our intentions. So the next time you are helping someone and you pick up a camera to video it, remember what the Bible said.